Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, you are very much welcome. So today I'll be sharing with us how I made this extra large kimono jacket. If this is something you would love to learn how to make, keep watching the video. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, like, share, drop a comment, and also turn on the post notification so you get notified anytime I upload a video. Welcome back guys. So I have this fabric that I'll be making use of to make my kimono jacket. So I'm just showing you how you're going to fold the fabric. So we're not going to be using the length of the fabric because it's going to be too short. So we're going to be using the longer side of the fabric, which is what I'm showing you right now. So you're going to fold it into two and then measure out the length of your kimono jacket. So the length of my kimono jacket is 58. So I measured out 58, that is on fold, which is what I'm doing right now. And then after that, I'm going to be folding it again by the length of the fabric. So I'm going to fold it into two again, which makes it four fold. Just go ahead and watch, you understand what I'm saying. Okay guys, so I have it on fold right now, folded into four like I'm showing you. Yeah, so I have four of that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take the measurement of the neck and that of the shoulder. I'm just arranging the fabric so everything comes out well because I don't want any folding. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so the first measurement I took is the neck part. So I took 3 inches, then my shoulder 7.5 inches, and then on the neckline I came down by 1 inch, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw the curve like how I'm doing it right now. Yeah, so I have the neck part, and then I'm going to go ahead and measure out the open parts of my sleeve. So I came down by 12 since this is going to be a free kimono jacket. So came down by 12 like so. So I'm just marking it out so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure out my bust from that 12 inches. So my bust divided by 4, then I added extra 5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and measure out the 9 inches plus 5 inches I have all the way to the bottom of the fabric. So guys, if your hip is a lot more bigger than your bust, you might want to use your hip measurement for that upper part and then you measure it down like that. So that means if you have a hip of 40 and your bust is like 32, you're going to have to use the hip of 40. That will be 40 divided by 4 plus 5. So you're going to measure that from the bust part down to the lower part of the dress. So I'm just taking the straight measurement like that all to the lower part of the jacket. Okay, so this is what we have. That is the sleeve right there. I'm still going to be adding more fabric to the sleeve because this is a long sleeve and that sleeve wouldn't be enough. So I'm going to add the other excess that I need to make a complete long sleeve to the sleeve. So I took out the fabric like this, like you can see. I brought it out and the neckline is looking like that. So from that neckline, I'll be cutting it all the way down so I can open my kimono jacket. So I'm just trying to make sure everything sits well so there won't be any mistake or any error. Okay, so like what I was saying, I'm just going to cut it down from that. I'm going to mark it first so I don't make a mistake while cutting it. So I just measure it, I just drew a line down like that. And then I went ahead and just cut it out, and when I'm done cutting, you're going to be seeing what this jacket is going to look like. Yeah, so if you're yet to subscribe at this point, please subscribe, like, let me know what you think about this video. Okay, so I'm just placing it together so you guys can see how it's looking. Yeah, so this is what we have, and now the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead, join the sleeve to make it a complete long sleeve, and then I'm going to join it by the side, and when I'm done, I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut out the piece that I will be using for the front part of the kimono. So I have 2.5 inches, and then I know I actually cut out a lot of fabric like that, so it's better it's you have it in excess than it's running short. So I'm just going to use that and pipe in the front part of the kimono. So I've gone ahead and joined the sleeve, which is what I just showed you, and then this is how I'm going to be joining the piece that I cut out to the fabric. I'm going to join it all round. Yeah, so I'm going to join it all round like so, all to the bottom part of the kimono, and then I'm going to pipe in the bottom part of the kimono so it looks all good. Okay, so guys, I'm done here, and this is what it looks like. You can see the joining. Yeah, so I already went on and piped in the lower part of the dress like so, and that is what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and iron it, and then I'm going to rock it and let you guys see what it looks like. Actually, you've already seen what it looks like. Okay, yeah.
We gon' let picture where you sit down. Our papa, we back to your pattern, and we throw a salama, cause now you hold us down. These other girls, with them thing carry for pocket, I cannot relate, cause my father is not their mate. These other girls, with them